There are 400 billion stars in our galaxy alone. If even 1 in a million had a planet like Earth, that's still 400,000 worlds. And the Milky Way is 13.5 billion years old. Some of those worlds had a billion-year head start on us. So here's the question that should keep you up at night. Where is everyone? In the summer of 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi was walking to lunch at Los Alamos with some colleagues. They were joking about a recent cartoon, aliens stealing New York City's trash cans. And somewhere between the lab and the cafeteria, Fermi asked, almost casually, "But where is everybody?" His colleagues burst out laughing, because they all knew what he meant. The math says there should be intelligent life all over the galaxy, lots of it, and yet, silence. That simple lunchtime question became one of the deepest unsolved problems in science. Here's the math. The Drake equation, written by astronomer Frank Drake in 1961, tries to estimate the number of communicating civilizations in our galaxy. Plug in even conservative numbers and you get hundreds, maybe thousands of civilizations. Plug in optimistic numbers and you get millions. And get this, our radio signals have only traveled about 100 light years from Earth. That's a tiny bubble. The galaxy is 100,000 light years across. We've barely whispered. Now here's where things get genuinely terrifying. In 1998, economist Robin Hanson proposed the Great Filter. The idea is this: somewhere on the path from dead chemistry to galaxy-spanning civilization, there's a barrier, something so difficult, so lethal, that almost no one gets past it. Here's the nightmare scenario. What if the Great Filter is ahead of us? What if the jump from where we are now, a species with nuclear weapons, climate change, and increasingly powerful AI, to a stable, spacefaring civilization, is the filter? That would explain the silence. Every civilization that ever existed burned itself out before it could say hello. And get this, if we were to find microbial life on Mars tomorrow, that would actually be bad news. It would mean life starts easily, which means the filter isn't behind us, it's waiting. Okay, but maybe we're just not looking right. Scientists have proposed dozens of solutions. Let's run through the best ones fast. First, the zoo hypothesis. Maybe advanced civilizations are watching us, the way we watch animals in a nature reserve, deliberately staying hidden until we mature. Second, they're already here and we don't recognize them. Maybe signals from Type 3 civilizations look like background noise to us. We might be swimming in alien communications without knowing it. Third, and this one's dark, the dark forest theory. Imagine the universe as a pitch-black forest. Every civilization is a hunter, moving silently, because the moment you make a sound, something might shoot you. Under this theory, broadcasting our existence, like the Arecibo message we sent in 1974, was possibly the dumbest thing we've ever done. Here's the thing. We have had one moment. August 15th, 1977. Astronomer Jerry Ehman was reviewing data from Ohio State University's Big Ear telescope. He saw a signal so strong, so unusual, so perfectly matching what an alien transmission might look like, that he circled it in red pen and wrote one word: wow. The signal lasted 72 seconds. It has never repeated. We still don't know what it was. Since 1984, the SETI Institute has been scanning the sky for signals. Decades of listening, thousands of star systems checked. The result? Nothing confirmed, not a whisper. The silence isn't comfortable anymore. It feels deliberate. Nobody saw this coming, but the Fermi Paradox might be the most important question humans have ever asked, because the answer changes everything. If we are alone, then every piece of music, every painting, every act of love in the entire universe is ours. We are the universe's only chance to understand itself. That's not lonely, that's terrifying and beautiful at the same time. But if we're not alone, if there are others out there, silent and watching, then every choice we make as a civilization matters in ways we can't even imagine. The Great Filter might be a test, and right now, we're in the middle of taking it. So, where is everybody? Honestly, we don't know, and that might be the most honest answer science has ever given. If this made you think differently about the night sky, drop it in the comments, subscribe for more videos like this, and next time you look up, remember, the silence might be an answer in itself.